Luna's over here, just looking fly. She's freaking on fleek. She's got her goddamn Instagram, like, aesthetic cloud filter going on. And then motherfucking Luna got this fucking wonderful sunset, most beautiful thing I've seen in my goddamn life. It's fucking like the morning from fucking Lion King. You're just waiting for the sun to come up and it goes, and shit like that. It's so goddamn beautiful. This is the best. They're girlfriends. The sun and the moon are girlfriends. There is no, absolutely none denying this. Look at them. She's praying for him. She's praying for her. It's just, they're girlfriends. Down weather, it comes out of fucking nowhere and just starts raining like nothing. Apparently this is also from Hurricane fucking Joan or what the fuck ever. But yeah. Smells nice. For what the fuck? This has been Weather Alex. With the weather. And stuff. Whoop. Shit, y'all. Look at him. Look at him. Holy shit, look at you. You're precious. Oh. Just a young baby. Sweet little baby Bab. Okay. Go out to nature, friend. We love you. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Sweetheart. Look at him. Look at him, you guys. He has a son. He has a son and his name is Carl. The dad's name is Carl. It's not even like Carl Jr. or Carl Sr. It's just Carl. Whole family of Carls. And I wanna go. Ah, fuck. Look at these fuckers. Look at these fuckers. Think they know who they are and stuff. Hey Jimmy, you want to McDonald's? You want to hit a McDonald's, Dad? No. Look at all these fuckers. All these geese. All these dicks. Straight up dicks all over the way. They think they know me. They think they know us. Well, they know that we're terrified of their fucking teeth and teeth tons and all that shit. But it ain't okay. Hopefully it'll be okay whenever these fuckers get extinct, cause, well, I'm not getting like predator and prey and circle of life and all that. But still, these fuckers. Hate these fuckers. Oh shit. Them fuckers heard what I said. They heard what I said and now they're coming to get my ass. Look at them, they're lying on the fucking path. Just fucking waiting for me. Look, they're standing up. They're raising their heads like, oh yeah, here comes that bitch. We know that bitch. She talks shit about brothers. Oh fuck, they know I'm here. They do not. They know I'm here. They know I'm talking shit about them, and they know. Oh, they know I don't like them, and I know they don't like me. Hey yo, hey dude, come pick me up. Come pick me up. The geese. They're rebelling. They're rebelling. Wait, no, don't go. Don't. Oh shit, man. Oh fuck. See, they're all stepping forward. They getting aggro. Come to the water. Just come. I'm not okay. They are looking at me, bro. They're looking at me and they're walking towards the water. I'm assuming they just want a dip. They want a fresh, nice little, freshly squeezed dip. At the same time, I'm afraid that they're gonna like take off at any moment and kick my ass. Come to the water. It's okay. Just don't kick my ass or anything. Geese come marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The geese come marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The geese are coming one by one, and they might bite my fucking face, but it's all gonna be okay if they're just not gonna fuck with me. Yes, coming to the water, into the potions. Potion seller. Oh, are they gonna swim right for me? Oh shit. Some drama starting to fuck up right there. You know, this is actually the closest I've seen these kind of geese. They're crossing. The geese come marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The geese come marching two by two. Think they want to steal my shoe, but hopefully they will just head down the stream. Alright, Bill, way to show the fuck off there, idiot. Okay, they're all fucking off. Here's the marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah. Here's the marching three by three, and they're actually on a single one. But oh shit, they're marching three by three. They're marching three by three. Boy, they marching three by three. Here's the marching four by four. Here's the marching four by four. I think they want to break down my door. Holy shit, they're actually fucking off. Holy shit, I think I just got a game mugged by geese. Unless Phil over there is gonna kick my ass. I'm like, oh, I think someone's recording us, guys. You know, I think there's like, you know, with it being like police state and everything, like, even in nature, like, we're absolutely fucked, dude. Oh yeah, there. This wasn't ready to fucking drive. Oh. Yeah, fuck you too. Fucking bitch. I think we're safe. Guys, we fucking found it. The Turtle McDonald's. The one McDonald's that all turtles have been wanting to go to. The dream. Look at that. Look at that. It's full fucking log. Ain't no one getting there. There's so many reservations for Turtle McDonald's, my dude. It's just straight up Turtle McDonald's. And that turtle and his son, Carl and Carl, they'll only be able to get there if they're lucky. Who knows, maybe they're there now, but I'm not seeing any little baby turtles. What a shame. Poor Carl. And also Carl. Never gonna get to that fucking McDonald's dream. Heavenly motherfucking McGriddle. Turtle McGriddle. Now at your local Turtle McDonald's. On the $5 menu. Longer. He's a fucking manager of goddamn Turtle McDonald's. That's Turtle McDonald's. But this guy's a fucking manager. Karen tries to fuck with him, they gonna get their ass beat. Look at him, he's just sitting in his office. Chilling out, vibing, waiting for a Karen so that he can kick her ass. You go, Turtle Manager. Fucking go, spicy little fuck. You're still right the fuck there, man. Look, listen, man, I hate the cows. It's just a YouTuber. Calm the fuck down and go the fuck away. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Fuck that shit. Hey, little bros. Little bros, your friends are leaving. Friends fucking gone, dude. Fucking go, man. Fucking get out of here. There you are. Thank you so much and do, hurrah, hurrah. Maybe they just want on a date, hurrah, hurrah. But I will stop fucking recording cause this is a private day. Even though all the geese are fucking dead. Oh my god, there's geese shit everywhere. Assholes. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm a turtle. Oh shit, guys, they found me. They found me again. They're gonna come after me. They're gonna come and try to kill my family. Guys, you need to help me. You need to help me. Just Just go to supportthegeese.org. I'm not kidding, man. They have a gun to my head. They have a gun to my head right now. Go to supportthegeese.org and try to support the geese. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. They're going to get the troops. Fuck is this shit? What is that shit? What is that bubbly ass shit? Is it a fungus or is it eggs or what the fuck? Okay, so I have a friend. I'm not sure what his name is, but he likes My Chemical Romance. At first was planning on killing him, but I got too scared. We reached an agreement, and I said, you know what, I'll stay on my side of the room, you stay on your side. I'll come and I'll make my fucking pancakes. They're blue, so don't mind them. But we've come to an agreement. He enjoys My Chemical Romance. And we've just been fucking vibing. This might be my last video. I might die today.